Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Recursive methods can look scary, but we will solve this one fast. Let's break down exactly how this Java code counts digits in a snap. First, look at the base case where the number is less than 10. If that condition is true, the method returns 1, representing the very first digit of our input value. Next, for larger numbers, the method uses integer division to chop off the last digit. It then adds 1 to the result of the next recursive call to keep the count. Each recursive call processes 1 digit. This continues until the base case is reached, providing the total digit count of the original number. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing by watching signs. Trust the given code and check your steps.